Okay guys, welcome to my brand new tutorial guys. I'm excited to share this brand new update called Block Booster. This is the update. So guys, I'll put the registration link in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like the video. Guys, in this update, there are two different ways for you to end this update. Okay? I refer to playing the so being built by so if you know Jam is similar to so this and let me tell you this so to in different time, maybe if you are in Gala before using it, so do not use email creating account on Jam Gala. So you are going to use another account you have not used, a Google account that you have not used in creating Jam Gala account. Okay, so the you will just be playing and you okay, that's very how you play the game and then to end. So if you come on this, you see per one page the referral bonus is $1. So withdrawal is so if you invite 10 you see you can to withdraw your money even game. So if you are still game you will see more on it. So you the game you just complete things. If you are confused, you don't know, you just need to use your hand something like this. So there is no space to put it, is no space. You can hold like this, so you can hold it as a fuse. Alright, you just hold it like this. You like this, so you choose one among this one. Among this in here, just choose the one that will place for on. Okay, like this. So you get just place and put it. Okay, so that's so by that you will just be playing the game and be earning. Alright, so let me go to the referral section. To this referral, you see here, this is where you copy your referral. You see friend, you earn 10,000 green note. So this 10,000 green note is equivalent to $1. So as you can see here, this person has on it, so that's why you are seeing this 10,000 green note. Okay, don't forget, share, type, comment. The link will be in the comment section. So if you take this update serious, you will make a lot of money with it. Just it, share it on your media platform or on your WhatsApp group, something on it. Okay, so don't forget, don't use that you use in creating Jam Gala, use different Gmail. So if you come to this message here, this is where you see they are giving daily sign-in bonus. Okay, to withdraw, click on this green note option you are seeing here. You see withdraw, right? You see invite friend. You see when you click on this withdraw, you see the minimum withdrawal is $10. Okay, so for you to add your Gmail, so before that, if you click on the withdraw, you are going to see something like this. Okay, for you to add your Gmail, if you are not add the Gmail, you will see it show your place to add your Gmail, but you need to see something like this. So if you click it like this, if you are not add your Gmail, so you see email, then more option is phone number. Just choose any one of your choice, then click it, then put the email, then press next. Okay, so that's how it is. So guys, I wish you happy cash out in advance. Okay.